Okay, so here are the preservatives I wanted to share with you, and also I wanted to share with you some fractionated coconut oil that I also purchased, and I will explain how you can use this. So first, I want to start with this preservative here. This preservative is from the brand Naturalproducts, and is 100% natural, is made from all organic ingredients, and it's a preservative. It has antioxidants in it, and the integral ingredient is good for essential oil mixtures and cosmetics and fragrances. And here there's some instructions in the back. I'm gonna read to you to share with you what it says. So it says Naturalproducts oil-based natural antioxidant preservative, made from all organic ingredients for your DIY home use or commercial products. Application: add 1 to 2% to your final product. Stir, shake well for 1 to 3 minutes and leave undisturbed for 24 hours. The natural preservative has a faint organic oil scent that diminishes once mixed with your final product. Use on essential oil blends, body lotions, soaps, creams, fragrances, cosmetics, and hair and beauty products. Ingredients: a proprietary blend of pure extract essential oils having powerful antioxidant preservative properties, including rosemary, apricot, argan, or avocado, black seed, coconut, grapeseed, hemp seed oil, moringa, rosehip, sweet almond, tamanu, grapefruit, and wheat germ oil. Now it goes into the warnings. Warnings: is not a finished product, an additive to aromatherapy and cosmetic products, for external topical use only. Keep away from children. And it also says avoid contact with eyes. If swallowed, get immediate medical attention. Storage: keep in a dry, cool place away from heat, sunlight, and high humidity. Make sure cap is tightly secured after each use. Use product within 3 to 4 months after opening, and the shelf life is 3 years without opening and approximately 3 to 4 months after opening. Not to be used with water-based products. So this preservative here is for your oil. You could use it for your fragrance oils. If you like making fragrance oil concoctions and things, you could use this as a preservative if you so choose to. And as it says in the ingredients, always remember when you get these types of preservatives from wherever the source is, that you read the ingredients very carefully and use it properly, because you don't want to cause any irritation to your skin or have any allergic reactions or what have you. So okay, and it also comes with a dropper here with the with some measuring gauges here. It goes up to 1.0 milliliters here. Sorry about my camera, it's not really focusing that well. Okay, now we got something there. So yeah, so it comes with that. The next preservative I want to show you is called Polysorbate 20. It's a cosmetic grade surfactant emulsifier. So with Polysorbate 20, it is a solubilizer. Okay, it is good to use in watery mixtures. It helps to blend fragrance oil mixtures evenly, so it and essential oils doesn't separate from the liquid. So basically, when you use essential oils and fragrance oils and you want to add a water base, like you want to put distilled water into your product or some other type of liquid, it helps to blend everything evenly, so you don't see that separation between the water and the oils, because we know water oil chemically doesn't mix, but Polysorbate 20 is able to bring everything together nicely. Okay, and you can use it for body sprays, which I will be doing a video. The next video I will be having on the channel soon will be doing a body spray using preservatives, because I have other videos on my channel that I show that I've done body sprays without using preservatives, and they work just fine, because I put my stuff in the refrigerator. I just refrigerate my things when I use them, and I've never had any allergic reaction or any contaminations or anything like that. So, but if you want to put preservatives in your liquid formations, you can use polysorbate. So it's good for that. It's good for if you want to make room sprays, room and linen for your laundry, stuff like that. You want your clothes to smell fresh. You could make a concoction with this in it. Okay, and you can also use this for if you want to make like hand soaps and stuff like that, you know, like all your own DIY hand soaps. You could use this in it as well. And the polysorbate lasts for about 2 years. Okay, when you do your mixture, it lasts for about 2 years. Okay, next, and last but not least, I have fractionated coconut oil. Now, there are times when you use the cold pressed coconut oil, which tends to, well, some people during certain times in the season, if it's too cold, you know, coconut oil, cold pressed coconut oil usually solidify. So what fractionated oil is, the way it's made is that you could be able to use it in your products and it won't solidify. It'll blend nicely into your mixtures and it won't harden. So I got this from the brand Viva Naturals Organic Fractionated Coconut Oil, and it's fragrance free. It's soft skin. It gives soft skin and radiant hair, non-greasy carrier oil, and it absorbs quickly. So I'm going to read the instructions here on how you can use it and things of that sort. So it says here that how to use straight from the bottle, or add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for fragrance. Also makes an ideal base for DIY beauty blends. Carrier oil. For every tablespoon of oil, add 3 to 6 drops of your favorite essential oil. Ideal for creating body and facial oils and hair serums, which I will be doing soon. I want to do a face serum to show you guys. So I've been going through some, you know, like discoloration, pigment, like hyperpigmentation issues I've been having, and so I want to make an all-natural serum for my face. So it's good for that, and also hair serums. And it says, note, always do a patch test when blending carrier and essential oils. I remember in my other videos, I always like try to advise you all that it's good to do skin tests before you make your mixtures, just in case if you may be allergic to something, and if you find that you're allergic to something, just don't use it. You know, it's very important to test things out and to experiment and see what works and what doesn't work. You could use it as a cosmetic base, and you use as a natural skin softener in homemade lotions, aftershave, lip balms, and more. Works great as a natural makeup remover. And so all it has is coconut oil, doesn't have anything else in it. And caution, is for external use only. Keep away from children. Storage, keep away from heat and light. Okay, and this product was made in Singapore, and so yeah, so this is another product that you can add to your mixtures if you like coconut oil. Some people don't, but if you do like coconut oil and are tired of using the cold pressed kind of oil, which hardens, and you have to be worrying about, okay, during the winter time I can't use it because it hardens and it just solidifies everything, you could use this because it'll blend easily, and it doesn't matter what time of the year it is, it'll stay nice and liquidy. So yeah, so that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really truly hope that this video helps you all. Please, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video with anyone that you know would be interested in this type of content. And also leave me some questions down below if you have any under any of my videos that I have currently, or under this video as well. And also tune in to other videos that I have on this platform as well. Have some old videos that I've did like about a year ago, a few months ago. You know, your support is greatly appreciated and much needed, and I thank you so much. And just keep blessed, stay safe out there, and remember, aim for modesty, carry your beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. See you all in the next video. The next video will be where I show you how I make a body spray using this preservative right here. I'm using this preservative since it's able to be used with water-based products. I'm gonna be using this. So I'll show you how I do that. This, as I said before, you just use it for like more oil-based products, you know, that doesn't require water. So yeah, and this is also good too for your products as well. So thank you so much once again, and remember, aim for modesty, carry beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. See you all in the next video. Later.